Hey everybody, it's Debbie West and it's Get Over the Hump Wednesday, which means today we are going to get over another hump, something that is holding us back in our business. So today, here's the hump that we're going to hurdle. Are you afraid of getting people's information at open houses? I think some of you are. So here's a trick, because let's face it, when you host an open house, it's all about getting new leads, right? So if you are afraid to ask people for their info, do this. Have some feedback cards on hand. Create one in advance, or if you want to go on our website, we have some too, and ask them to fill it out when they leave. It simply asks them questions about the house. What do they think about it? What would they improve? What do they think it's going to sell for? Blah, blah, blah. And there's a little spot in there where they have to fill out their name, their phone number, their email. Are they working with an agent? What are they looking for? And it gives you that critical info that you need. And then after the open house, once you have the info, send them a thank you card. Tell them thank you for coming. And by the way, I am here if you need a professional to work with. I know this neighborhood. So there you go. That is your Get Over the Hump advice for today.